Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, the 1st of May. We'll start here with a surface weather depiction of what's going on. You can see it's trying to allude to high pressure moving in from the west. I wouldn't say that there's a high up here right now because we are expecting a weak trough to move through and continue to generate some showers, although they're very light for especially the Idaho-Wyoming border region. Both today and tomorrow, and this high pressure will magnify on Friday and continue through the weekend before another trough interrupts the pleasant weather early next week. So let's start what will be happening today. We have just a slight risk of some shower activity, some of this snow shower activity even this morning in areas here in the extreme southeast corner of our forecast area. By the afternoon, the showers will continue down there, and they'll also develop here on the southeast side of the Central Idaho Mountains over to the Idaho-Montana border for the afternoon. But again, these are widely scattered. We aren't expecting anything in the way of significant accumulation. But here you can see just how much. Most of it this morning, for what little there is, it basically amounted to just a skiff of snow. In the afternoon, again, just a skiff, upwards of maybe a quarter inch. For the highs today, we'll continue to struggle. Air flows out of the northeast for the most part, especially aloft, and so that means it continues to bring in cool air, and these temperatures are well below normal for this time of year, with even the eastern Magic Valley and the Snake River Plain struggling to get above 50 degrees. And overnight lows will continue, although with, again, some cloud cover combined, most of the below freezing temperatures will be left to the Arco Desert in the INL area and in the Central Idaho Mountains and in the extreme eastern highlands. Otherwise, a lot of populated areas will actually stay above freezing as the air slowly modifies from the very cold temperatures we've had. Here you can see the high pressure is once again still trying to make itself known, but there is sort of our northeast corner, there's still some precipitation moving through. And you can see that characterized here. Again, just a slight chance for the morning hours. Into the afternoon, it does intensify and does spread to the south, back over the Bear River Basin areas and the Caribou Highland areas. And here's where you can see where the snow is expected. It's still remaining cool, but it is fairly limited basically to this northeast corner. And maximum temperatures are actually up about 8 degrees in the Snake River Plain, and just slightly warmer for the Central Idaho Mountains and the eastern highlands. And once again, precipitation in the evening, there's still a threat, although you can see it's mostly limited to the areas north of Island Park. One thing that will be happening in the afternoon too is some winds with this weak trough, with this second one on Thursday, actually getting to 20 to 30 miles an hour in the Arco Desert and the Snake River Plain. And on the ridges in the mountains, in the Central Idaho Mountains, getting somewhat strong. And that continues into the afternoon and spreads into the eastern Magic Valley. And again, these are sustained speeds. You can actually expect gusts into the 30s. And then overnight lows with all that windiness will take a while for the winds to settle down. So a lot fewer areas, especially in the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, will be getting below freezing. But still a lot of that cold air is still settling in the Central Idaho Mountains. Okay, finally here on Friday, the temperatures, the high pressure is locked in, the winds are dying down, and no precipitation expected during this 24-hour period. You can see temperatures up again into the middle to upper 60s for the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, and even some 50s, even in places near 60, such as Stanley Basin. And overnight lows turning much warmer. You can see the lack of teens now in the central Idaho mountains, and temperatures actually staying around 40 degrees for the Snake, or for the eastern Magic Valley and portions of the Snake River Plain. The extended forecast here continues mostly clear to partly cloudy for Saturday night. Continues to be warm, probably our warmest day of the week. And then Sunday night, we're back to cloudy skies here, partly mostly cloudy. Then there's a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms, mostly in the southern eastern highlands. And then Monday, Tuesday, the showers and thunderstorms intensify, greater coverage, and much cooler. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, please either check out the weather yourself at this email address, or excuse me, a URL. Additional questions, if you have them, you can always contact us at this telephone number. If you have any comments on the content of the briefing or any feedback for us, contact our webmaster at this email address. Thanks for watching.